Konkani cinema is growing. Now, there would be Global Konkani Cinema Awards. Mangalore-based Mand Soban is starting these awards from this year for a Konkani movie as well as short films.
The Konkani film can be produced anywhere in the world and in any Konkani dialect. Mand Soban Gurkar Eric Osario said it would begin with the films produced in 2016 and 2017.
Like the music awards, here the artists are not going to apply. The producer has to apply. And he's not applying for this category, that category. He's just presenting his movie and say, okay, I'm making this movie available for all awards. This year, the first award, the next award will be in 2020. In 2019, we'll be awarding Global Konkani Music Awards. So once in 2 years, Music Awards, once in 2 years, Cine Awards.
According to the rules, the duration of the Konkani film has to be minimum 90 minutes. Beside Best Konkani Movie, there is a separate award for the Best Short Film. In all, there will be total 9 awards. Besides the trophy, each award would have a cash prize of 25,000 rupees. The award ceremony will be held on 9th of December in Mangalore. Application forms are available at Theatre Academy of Goa in Panji as well as on the website of Mand Soban. Our video journalist Yeshwant Parab in Panji.